Okay, so I have my paintbrush ready. I'm rinsing it out. I'm using a watercolor brush for this now, so you can see I've switched brush sizes. If you don't have a watercolor brush, a Q-tip will work with this. And again, if you don't have a lot of paint, you could use water-based markers, colored pencils, crayons. So what I'm going to do first is I'll focus on the plants themselves. So on my trees, maybe they have little flower blossoms on them, and maybe I do that stippling technique that we looked at before when we were learning how to do this. Some of that's overlapping onto the bird. And again, you can always do stippling, you can do hatch marks. I think on the bird I'm going to be using more hatch marks. I'm trying to utilize the stippling technique for the flower blossoms themselves. Okay, and then maybe I even stipple some things to show the ground. So there's some dirt. And now I'm going to focus on the bird. So I think my bird is looking very much like a peacock, so I'm going to use a lot of blue on this, I think. Again, just utilizing minimal brush strokes, just a few, to get the point across of what we're looking at. So when you are done with your actual image, you'll need to give it some dry time. So maybe this is where, to be smart about using my time, I set this one aside. I'm letting that dry, and while it's drying, I'm going to go ahead and start a second one. So that's what you guys could do.